Hi, I'm Siddharth from TechRadar India, and finally, we have with us the new Motorola Razr. After nearly 15 years, Motorola is back with its clamshell design phone, but this time with a twist. It now has a foldable screen inside. Now, what makes this special? Well, that is what this whole video is about. But before we go ahead, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell icon to get notified about all the videos that we upload. Let's begin. The Moto Razr comes in this premium box that looks like a monolith. Lifting the top, you'll find the phone nicely placed in an upright position. Keeping it aside, there is a separate case for bundled accessories. There's a 15-watt turbo power adapter, a Type-C to 3.5mm cable, a USB Type-C cable, and the Razr earbuds. You should know that the iconic Moto Razr V3 sold more than 130 million units by 2007, making it one of the best-selling clamshell phones till date. And while the new Moto Razr follows its footsteps, it's really just a spiritual successor, but a good one at that. If you'll compare the new Moto Razr with the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the OnePlus 7T Pro, you'll see that it's thinner when unfolded. However, the intrinsic component has to be the hinge mechanism that allows the phone to be folded in half. The experience of holding this phone in your hand is very similar to the original Moto Razr, just that this one has a larger footprint. Its metal and glass construction gives it a solid feel when in hand. The chin at the bottom is home to a bunch of sensors including a fingerprint reader and a USB Type-C port. When unfolded, there is a 2.7-inch quick view screen on the front that lets you view alerts, reply to messages, and even take a selfie. That said, the functionality ends there as the screen offers a limited interaction. There is a rear 16-megapixel camera on the flap and a 5-megapixel selfie camera on the inside just above the screen. While we didn't get to take the phone out on the street for testing, the phone is expected to take decent pictures. And you're not buying the Razr for photography anyway. The display measured 6.2 inches and uses a plastic OLED panel with 21:9 aspect ratio. It's not as sharp as you would expect, as the mechanics behind the folding and unfolding of the phone currently only allows flexible panel to be used. It's not that bad either, and you can get a decent viewing experience on the new Moto Razr. The screen doesn't form a crease in the middle as we have come to see on the Galaxy Fold, though you can feel the seam while moving your finger above the hinge. In our brief time with the phone, we also noticed that the panel seemed to move inwards as you fold the phone. This isn't something you'd expect on a phone that costs as much as the Razr. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset powers the new Moto Razr, which isn't the most powerful performer out there, especially for the value you're giving away. Here, Samsung blows the Razr out of the water by using the Snapdragon 855 chip on its Galaxy Z Flip clamshell phone, which is far superior. If you're wondering why a more powerful chipset wasn't used in the development of the new Moto Razr, the company says that a more advanced chipset would have struck down on efficiency and in turn compromised the thin form factor. Moto Razr comes with a 2500 mAh battery, which again is a result of keeping the profile thin and compact, so don't expect more than a day's worth of use. In any case, the phone supports 15-watt fast charging. On the plus side, it also has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage with no support for microSD card. The Moto Razr takes you back to the old world of flip phones with a functional design. However, for its price, it's not a flagship phone you can depend upon or a phone that fulfills your photography appetite. That said, the Moto Razr feels like a phone you'd enjoy using after spending your workday with a rectangular block. Cut. Ho gaya? Alright. Well, that was it from our side. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth tech videos. Also keep following techradar.com for more interesting tech coverage. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hi.
Hi, what can I do for you?